Hello, I'm Brian Watrous. I'm a VMware certified instructor and a senior technical trainer with VMware Education. In this 6-part video series, we will demonstrate how to upgrade from vSphere 4.1 to vSphere 5.5. In the previous video, we demonstrated how to upgrade your hosts from ESX 4.1 to ESXi 5.5. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to upgrade VMware tools and the virtual hardware version of your virtual machines. In order to enable our virtual machines to take advantage of these new ESXi 5.5 hosts that we've upgraded to, what we're going to do is first upgrade VMware tools, and then we will upgrade the VMware hardware version. To do this, we're going to launch the vSphere client. The vSphere web client. Upgrading the virtual hardware to hardware version 10, or for that matter hardware version 9, is something that you cannot do with the vSphere client. You must do it with the vSphere web client. So I'm not going to use the vSphere client, but rather I'm going to go to VMware vSphere web client, and I'll launch the web client. Now, the message that we see here is simply the result of the fact that we're using self-signed certificates in this lab environment, so we can safely ignore this message. We'll proceed anyways. And at the vSphere web client login screen, we will log in as administrator. Clicking login, the vSphere web client takes our authentication credentials, and we are logged in. Now if we go into vCenter and go into the VMs and templates view, you can see that in my infrastructure I have 2 virtual machines. Now I've already selected VM1, and I've gone to the summary tab for VM1, and in here we can see that this particular virtual machine is running an older version of virtual hardware. Specifically, it's running version 7. And the version of VMware tools that we're running, version 8295, is actually out of date. That's not the latest version of VMware tools available for ESXi 5.5 hosts. So what we're going to do first is to upgrade VMware tools by clicking on the Update VMware Tools link. Now we can choose to perform either an interactive upgrade of VMware tools or an automatic upgrade. I'm going to select an automatic upgrade and click the Upgrade button. And as we can see in the recent tasks section, the installation of VMware tools has been initiated on VM01. Now, it'll take a few minutes to get VMware tools installed, so we'll fast forward the video. Now that the VMware tools installation has completed, you'll see that the virtual machine is currently running VMware tools version 9344, which at this point in time is the current version of VMware tools. What we're going to do next is to upgrade the hardware version of this virtual machine. Again, currently it's running hardware version 7. We're going to upgrade this virtual machine to hardware version 10 so that it can take advantage of advanced capabilities such as up to 64 virtual CPUs in that VM and up to 1 terabyte of virtual RAM in the virtual machine. So to do so, we'll begin by right-clicking the virtual machine and choosing Edit Settings. In the Edit Settings window, we'll expand Upgrade, and we'll select the Schedule VM Compatibility Upgrade checkbox. When we do so, this pull-down menu allows us to specify which version of ESXi we want to be compatible with. We're going to choose 5.5, which in turn means that we're going to have hardware version 10. The earlier versions of ESXi would result in earlier versions of hardware, such as version 9 and version 8. And we'll click the OK button. Next, we'll right-click the virtual machine and select Restart Guest Operating System. We'll confirm the restart. And as we can see in the recent task section, a guest OS restart has been initiated. This will take a few moments for the virtual machine to restart, so we'll fast forward the video. The virtual machine is rebooting, and as you can see, this virtual machine is now using hardware version 10. Now, we've gone through a number of different procedures in this 6-part video series, and our last video, what we'll be demonstrating is how to upgrade any existing VMFS 3 data stores to VMFS 5 data stores. So be sure to watch the next video. This is one video in a 6-part series of videos which demonstrate how to upgrade from vSphere 4.1 to vSphere 5.5. Be sure to watch all the videos in this series. And visit the vSphere product page at VMware.com for valuable resources such as technical white papers, technical documentation, customer case studies, communities of interest, as well as other video demonstrations. The following offerings are available from VMware Education for vSphere.